Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Bannerjee. कल यूएस स्टॉक मार्केट्स क्लोज्ड इन द रेड. इसके पीछे दो प्राइमरी कारण हैं. एक तो सर्जिंग ओमिक्रॉन लेड वायरस केसेस इन अमेरिका, जिससे कारण हो सकता है फ्रेश restrictions can be imposed. दूसरा है कि जो फिस्कल स्टिमुलस था 1.75 ट्रिलियन का यूएस में, that seems to be stuck due to political wrestling. So which means a lot of economists have started to pare down their growth expectation for 2022 for US. So that has not come as a good news for the dollar, and dollar index जिससे कारण थोड़ा सा गिरावट हुआ है overnight. आज डॉलर रुपी में ओपन slightly lower अगर offshore market is an indication, possibly around 75, 80, 82 levels, and 75, 60 तक जाने का इसमें चांस है, because technically after closing below 76 December futures, it has damaged its technical potential for moving upward. So this correction अगर ये complete होना है तो 75, 60 या 75 half तक भी आ सकता है on the futures और spot, because अभी futures and spot में कुछ खास difference है नहीं, तो वहाँ तक futures और spot trade कर सकता है. So for the day, considering that Asian equity markets are doing quite well and the dollar is flat to a little soft, तो हो सकता है कि सेलिंग और आए डॉलर रुपी में, क्योंकि कल वी सस्पेक्ट देयर हैज बीन अ हेवी इंटरवेंशन फ्रॉम द आरबीआई. एक तो वो था क्योंकि आरबीआई इज सीइंग दैट देयर वाज अ ग्रोइंग नैरेटिव इन द मार्केट कि आरबीआई विल अलाउ द रुपी टू डेप्रिशिएट बियॉन्ड इट्स ऑल टाइम लोज जो 77 के आसपास है. But RBI decided not to, and they intervened quite aggressively to basically break this narrative and say that we want a two-way market, not just a one-sided market. Because the RBI sees that if the rupee starts to depreciate much further, then what can happen is it can add to the inflationary pressures. तो इसलिए वो intervention कल आया. And plus, RBI is holding sizable long positions in the forward market. We estimate close to $45 billion before this intervention, which they would like to take profits on, because March ending RBI का भी book closing, and if they have higher profits, they can declare higher dividends to the government, which will help the fiscal. So all these reasons are at play. तो इसी कारण RBI intervene quite aggressively. तो one thing it looks like, unless the global situation जो है it deteriorates and there is a big risk off in the global markets, looks like that the dollar rupee has stopped for now. And generally this time of the year, जो last 2 weeks of December होता है, this is festive time and a holiday season, and you don't see much of activity in the stock markets and anything. So, and also we see a rally in the global equity markets. अगर वैसा, if the global equity rally starts, which we term as a Santa rally, तो हो सकता है FPI outflow जो इंडिया से हो रहा था वो बंद हो जाए just for the next couple of weeks, and that can help the Indian rupee. So all in all, it looks like dollar rupee may find selling near 76, 10, 20 levels on the futures, or 75, 56 तक आने का potential है. So therefore, there are two ways of playing it. You can either sell futures on rise with a stop above 76.20. दूसरा ये हो सकता है कि you can sell out of money call options. जैसे 76 half का call options you can sell. On the international currencies, Euro INR will be in a bearish trend. 85 half के आसपास it can be sold. और GBP INR can see a recovery, because अगर global equity markets में rally continue रहता है and dollar index remains soft, then pound can do well after the Bank of England hike. So 100 के आसपास GBP INR can be a buy, but obviously consider the situation during the day. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.